Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to Play Store problem on Android phone. Okay, let's start the video. Now first open your phone setting. Now first
you
check
check
your
mobile
Wi-Fi
phone,
or
Wi-Fi
mobile
or
data.
internet connection.
Now turn off
Tap
mobile
on
data
apps.
and turn on again mobile data. Now search Google Play Store. Now tap on Google Play Store. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Finally tap on delete. Now open your Play Store app. And I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.